What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to take John's Grom out. We're going to go do some no prep street testing with the Grom. It hasn't really done any hits with the new motor, so we're just going to go see what it does and hopefully it does good. We're going to take the Grom and go do some street testing. We're here with the Grom in Mexico, North Carolina. Street Outlaw Season 1, back when it was still legal. Gotta get some heat in it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Man's out here doing wheelies, riding that. Rough Riders.